Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make wall mounted speed fan wiring diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Fan 1, fan 2, fan 3, fan 4, fan speed controller 1, fan controller 2, fan controller 3 and fan controller 4. Phase connection input to fan controller 1, 2, 3 and 4. Neutral connection input to fan controller 1, 2, 3 and 4. Power connection to fan 1 from fan controller 1. Power connection to fan 2, fan 3 and fan 4 from controller. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.